Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. Where today I'm gonna draw Lori Loud. First, we need to draw her eyes. So this is her bangs. So the here's the face. It's so cute. So this is the face. And we need the eyelashes, of course, because she's a girl. We need her eyelashes into the front. And we need her hair, because her hair is like this. Her mom and dad named her Lori. Okay, stop, because we're gonna make a t-shirt. Okay, and her hands. Okay, that's her, because she's a big girl now. We need to draw her short. Short is too easy, right? If you don't know, just copy what I draw. A little wrong there. The pencil so we can erase it. Are you using pencil or pen? Me, I always use pencil, because if you go wrong, you can use the eraser, so it can be erased. This is her hand. Her long legs. I really love how to draw. And this is her shoe. It's kind of pretty, right? Okay, so my mom and my sister left. Okay, so this is Lori Loud. So guys, here's what you need to copy. It's amazing, right? It's so cute. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy. See you at the next video. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back. It's me again. So that's Lori Loud, yeah. And today we're gonna draw Lincoln Loud. You can draw at my channel, just search it. We need to draw his hair. Okay, and then his eyes, of course. We need to draw his eyes. Do you know how to draw? Just don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so you can learn more with me. I hope you guys enjoy this. Where do you live? How old are you? What's your name? I love drawing. How to draw Loud house. So that's why I learned how to draw. Okay, his face over here. It looks like he's fat, but he's not, right? He's the one that he's taking care of Lily. If their mom and dad are gone, Lori is in charge, right? So if their mom and dad was gone, you know them always fighting. Do you do the fighting or not? I obviously not doing that because that's a bad attitude. So that's why. Oops. What are you doing, guys? I love drawing. So that's why I'm always copying. Do you know? Yup, and thanks guys for watching me. And today we're done. Here's Lincoln Loud with Lori. He copies what Lori's doing. Look. Okay, by the way guys, thank you for watching me, and I hope you guys enjoy what I buy.